Some mornings ask us to rush. Others invite us to listen. I've learned that when my life falls out of rhythm, my skin feels that stress too. So I've been taking this moment each morning to reset, to slow my breath, soften my skin, and begin again. This is my 30-day reminder that repair doesn't happen all at once. It happens gently, over time. A ritual that helps my skin rebalance, restore, and find its rhythm again. Because caring for my skin isn't about how it looks. It's about how it feels to come back to myself. Reclaim your rhythm.